is the home screen of the application, and in this section you're able to see all your PDF files, any type of PDF files, whether it be Excel, whatever the case is, will be in the home section here. As I can see here, history section here as well. You will see everything and pretty much anything here, and also the ones that you have stored. If you want to store or add as your favorite, all you have to do is tap on the three dots and you'll be able to store them or add to AI reading. Once you have add the AI reading, you tap on the top there where you see the star icon, and once you have done that, it will be pretty much added to your stored option section here. So very easy to do. And as well, you have other tools which you can use at the top here. So those pretty much explain themselves. At the bottom here, you may see AI tools. You have other AI tools which you can use. You can ask AI, you can have AI chatbot here. You have the image extractor option. Let's say you want a study AI bot, you can pretty much find it here as well. You have the homework solve, scan and solve option there as well. So if I tap on the chat option, you can pretty much chat with the bot here. You may see an app add while navigating through the application. Here you can upload an image of your homework and so forth, and it will scan it and try to help you solve that, whatever question you want to be solved. So very, very easy. And as well, you can create your own assistant. Dating assistants, let's say that, and you can also set your commands and so forth. So nothing much, very, very simple application, not just a PDF file reader or document reader, but more of a AI application as well. So very easy application to use. So if I missed anything, just comment below and let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one.